At STEM Academy, we're nurturing tomorrow's innovators by breaking down the walls between subjects, showing how science, technology, engineering, and math are the tools we use every day to solve problems. Whether in our physical classrooms or through our flexible online options, we're making sure every student has access to these tools. We spoke with many of our students to see how they apply these tools to their own unique interests. While every project is different, here are some examples of that innovation in action.
Hi, my name is Henry. I am in 6th grade, and I built an artifact for my social studies PBL project. I researched on many other artifacts, and then I found this one artifact, the trebuchet. For this trebuchet, I also use scientific testing and engineering for my social studies project.
My name is Owen. I'm an 8th grader here at STEM. I used technology in my science class to build my Zombie Cell City project. The goal of the project was to build basically a cell that was represented by a city that would get attacked by zombies, which represented a germ or a disease. You could build the city through a diorama, a 3D model, Minecraft, or anything online. I chose Minecraft.
When students take the lead, the results are clear. They're building a foundation of knowledge and critical thinking that keeps them engaged while challenging their minds in the process. But don't just take my word for it. On our most recent Wisconsin school report card, STEM Academy earned a rating of exceeds expectations in all areas and consistently outperforms more than 90% of 6th to 12th grade schools all over Wisconsin. Visit the enrollment link in the description to secure a spot for your student. It's about more than just a grade. It's about giving students the tools they need to turn their ideas into action.